Hello and welcome to the Click&Draw drawing course. The video will teach us how to hold the pencil when drawing. First, we put our fingers in the shape of scissors. We place the pencil between the thumb and then between the next two fingers once this is done, we will see how to take the pencil according to how we would like to draw. To draw softly, the pencil must be taken from behind. This allows us to make small soft circles and cover more drawing area. Now we will take the pencil from the front. It will be in a more vertical position. As you can see, this position allows us to draw with more pressure. Therefore, it is useful to achieve fair shadows or even dots as in this drawing. Subscribe and hit the bell to reduce notifications when I upload video. Well now, what happens if we join both types of grip? Well, we can make base layers and then add fur, lines, points and whatever you want. I leave you an example on the screen. I use these points that I am making in the drawing of the realistic dog that I uploaded last week. I'll leave it up here. With all these types of pressures and grips, we can achieve a very good drawing if we know how to use them. Well, this was all for today. Leave your like and subscribe if you liked the video. Bye. Rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never